Is freedom real? I do not know. Absolute freedom is not possible. Let's take the definition of freedom: the power or right to act, speak, or think as one wants. Now let's focus on the act part. So this means I can act any way I want as long as I have the power or right to do it. Okay, then let's take this for example. What if I want to act in a way that is impossible? Let's say I and you decide to get absolutely jacked in the gym in 2 weeks. That is not going to happen. That is impossible. So, okay, so absolute freedom is impossible. There's no way anyone is absolutely free, I would argue ever, because how can there ever be something that is not impossible? However, freedom itself is real because I can, for example, decide to sit or stand right now. So, there is freedom, it exists. So, this would mean that there is partial freedom that exists, and that is real, not absolute. But how far does this partial freedom even go? This is pretty tricky. Let's, for example, take the freedom of choice. If we take my morning, for example, I am free to choose whether I want to wake up early and be productive in the morning or sleep in and lose the time in which I could have been productive. Fair enough, I have a choice, I'm free. Okay, but now let's say I want to sleep in and be productive in the morning. That is not going to happen. There's no way that's going to happen. It's impossible. So the question I'm asking right now is the lack of the choice I want to make, as in being able to sleep in and be productive in the morning, is the lack of this option obstructing my freedom, or is the choice itself, just the fact that it exists, that I can choose between sleeping in or not sleeping in, my freedom's choice?